Good morning, guys. So, in today's math lesson, we would normally be doing this as an open response if we were in class. But it's inside your Google form because we're not in class. Um, so, the first thing you need to do is you need to get yourself a pencil and paper, okay? Because there's going to be a lot of guessing and checking, drawing, trying things out. So, if you do not have a piece of paper and a pencil with you right now, pause the video, go get one, and come back. All right. So the question says use the clues to make a mathematical argument for or against Joy's conjecture. You may use pictures and counters to show your thinking and explain your reasoning. All right, so it says Miss Soto is setting up chairs for math night. Her room cannot fit more than 35 chairs. She places the same number of chairs in each row. As she sets up the chairs, she makes up a problem for her class with these rules. So clue A says, when there are chairs in each row, there's one left over. When there are 3 chairs in each row, there is one left over. When there are 4 chairs in each row, there's still one left over. And when there are 5 chairs in each row, there are no leftover chairs. Use the clues to figure out how many chairs Miss Soto set up. Joy, one of Miss Soto's students, makes a conjecture or an argument or a guess that Miss Soto set up 13 chairs. So guess where we're going to start? With 13 chairs. So you're going to take your piece of paper and you're going to draw 13 chairs and you're going to test it against each clue. So it says when there are 2 chairs in each row, there's one left over. So if we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, look, there's one left over. So does it match clue A? Yes, it does. I'm going to put a check mark. All right, so it says when there are, I'm going to put a box around this since we did this. Okay. Clue B says when there are 3 chairs in each row, there's one left over. All right, so let me change colors here so we know this is something different. And let's put 3 chairs in each row this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, I have one leftover chair. So when there are 3 in each row, there's one left over. Is that correct? Yep. So I'm going to put a check mark. All right, let's try another one. Let's do green. When there are 4 chairs in each row, there's still one left over. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, one left over. How about that? So does it work for clue C? Yes, it does. Okay, so when there are 5 chairs in each row, there are no chairs left over. All right, let me get a different color here. We'll go to purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a little sloppy, sorry. 11, 12, 13. So I have 2 full rows, but I have 3 left over. The problem tells me there were supposed to be no chairs left over. So clue D does not work. So when the question asks you if Joy's conjecture is correct, Joy's conjecture is not correct. So you need to use that good old pencil and paper, and you need to find out what number is correct. Now, some of you smarty pantses might have figured out that we are working with multiples of a number, right? So when we were working with the twos, right? This was 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and then because it was 13, there was one left over, right? So start thinking about multiples, start guessing and checking numbers. If there's always one chair left over, then you probably, hint, 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 will need to start with odd numbers. Okay, so start guessing and checking, and I am going to be really curious to see what your answers are. Put your answer in the box when you think you've got it, and then move on to the rest of the skills in the form. Have fun. How am I supposed to shut this off?